Oukitel WP8 Pro Phone Review, Slimline and rugged with a great battery life review. The Oukitel WP8 is the first smartphone I have reviewed from Oukitel. It is not a familiar brand to me. However, this manufacturer builds both rugged and slimline phones with nice form factors and an array of multi-lens cameras. Inside the box there is the phone, a SIM pin, an OTG cable and a micro cable and charger. There is also a quick start guide. On the right hand edge of the WP8 there is the SIM card slot, the power key and the fingerprint sensor. The left hand side is volume buttons and a configurable smart button. The headphone jack is sealed beneath a silicone cover at the top of the device, and the charging port is at the bottom of the phone. The WP8 has a huge 6.49-inch screen with 720 by 1560 px and a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density is 268p and it delivers 450 nit brightness. I like it a lot. At 178 by 84.7 by 12.9 mm in size it seems slimmer and taller than other rugged devices I have reviewed. It is pretty light too at 260 grams. The Cubot Quest phone is slimmer at 8.8 mm thick, and lighter at 213 grams. However, its screen size is only 5.5 inches. Reviews. Inside the phone, which runs Android 10, there is a MediaTek MT6762D octa-core chip with 4 cores running at up to 1.8 GHz, and 4 at up to 1.5 GHz. The device comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, and it has a nice large capacity 5000 mAh battery to keep you going for more than a day. It also has NFC. There is a nano SIM slot there and space for a TF card, or another SIM card. The circular camera area on the back of the phone contains 3 rear cameras, 16MP autofocus main camera with aperture f/2.0 plus 22MP fixed focus cameras for focal length / macro images. The front camera has 8MP fixed focus with an aperture of f/2.2. Images are good. There is a bokeh option to blur the background in the rear camera and a beauty option to brighten up your appearance before taking in photo. Post-image manipulation is basic and adequate. Images are good, clear and sharp, and shutter response is good. The WP8 is certified IP68 and IP69K, to military standard 810 grams. This means that the phone will still work after immersion in water of up to 1.5 meters deep for up to 2 hours without issues. The MIL STD 81 grams test also means that it has passed low pressure testing, acidic atmosphere, humidity and solar radiation tests. The side button on the left hand side can be customized to operate a shortcut, or open an app with a click, a long press, or a double click. I like the custom buttons, which are useful to quickly invoke my camera for action shots. The UI is clean and simple, with none of the bloatware installed by some other manufacturers. The extra nice to have is the tool bag with a compass, sound meter, spirit level, gradient monitor, magnifier, protractor, plumb bob, and a really useful warning icon. This warning feature means that if you are in a jam, you can touch the flash icon to get the camera LED to flash on and off. Touch the screen icon and the screen flashes blue, red, yellow, and green to attract someone's attention. There is also a warning option. Touch this and a very loud siren will go off to attract attention. A really nice idea. In addition to fingerprint recognition, you can use facial recognition, which works well, even in low light. You can also configure an SOS call. Add up to 3 contact numbers and send a distress message if you press the power button 5 times. All in all, the Oukitel WP8 Pro is an affordable rugged phone which is suitable for work or leisure. As it's waterproof and rugged, your kids will not be able to drown it, and it has some really useful features if you use it outside for work. At $139.99 it is a really affordable rugged device for anyone. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.